Wow.
Diba? What's the secret letter?
Sapzwa.
Yeah. No, just a hint. It rhymes with...
It's a pronoun. What?
Who is that daw? May mga college besties. Kasama ko sa social civic organization ko before. So this is Epoy, Epzua. That's Shem.
The X.
The X.
And then this is Ryan, Reb.
So bago naging pretty girl na lang si Jasmine. Meron po siyang leadership background. Kami po yung kasama niya.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mga mentors ko sila.
So,
wow!
Kulang na kayo.
Matalino po talaga siya minsan.
Minsan.
Okay. Yes.
What?
Okay, so we asked questions. Actually, yeah, sa X. If you have questions, so there's a thread na Ask Jazz. So some questions that you wanna know about me, and then si Epzua,
Yes.
which you didn't know, and I think guessed the spelling.
Wala pa rin. Oo.
I-reveal na lang namin later.
Epsa. Alam niyo ito itong color.
Gender reveal.
Yeah, it's giving
It's a
gender
girl?
reveal. And it's a gay. Hindi lalaki din. Hindi tayo lalaki. Epswa. Pero pa rin nag-guess.
Thank you for trying your best for guesting.
I love your
Yes.
hair color. Thank you, by the way.
Sorry. I think we need a mic.
Thank you.
We really need
This is
a mic.
yours.
Oh, thank you. Sige. This mic ko daw to. Spelling bee ang atake.
Hindi na kayo nagtatanong, guys. You can also
Ayun,
ask
here.
here.
Yeah, you can also ask, pero nandito kami sa X. Okay.
Ano yung course? Just took up Foreign Affairs. In other programs, it's called International Relations. Sabi sa inyo, matalino siya minsan.
Hi.
So,
Sorry, masakit kasi mata ko. Bakit? Nag-reflect ba? Sakit yung eyes ko.
hindi na. Yeah. Should I ask this one?
Yeah,
So
okay.
there's a question from X, formerly Twitter, no? For those of you who are not familiar.
Oh, we're gonna read that. Sige. Very host. Ano yan? Sige.
Baka di kayo baka yung mga hindi pa aware, ano yung X, baka weird siya na sound for you, but that's Twitter before. Merong mga questions. May mga questions here, no? So if you wanna ask a question, just tweet, tapos hashtag kayo, Ask Jazz. Ayun. We have here a lot of questions already. And yung first one na napili namin is from... wag na lang sabihin yung ano.
Just don't say the name.
Yeah.
The name, yeah. Pero meron nag-ask, hashtag.
I think kailangan ng stop. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ask Jazz for tonight. We are changing hosts because our host is defective.
Hindi kasi yung weird na ngalan niya. Pero anyways, ayun.
What's the name? Let me see.
No,
Let's not read the name.
Cannot read.
Oo. I am dyslexic for now. Ang question, Jazz, is, what is your life verse?
Si Kea pa naman.
Wow.
Kaya hindi siya marunong magbasa ng pangalan mo.
Yeah. Hi, Kaya.
Thanks, Kaya, for the question.
Yeah.
Again, it is, what is your life verse?
Okay. So my life verse that I live by it's Isaiah 60 verse 22. It's when the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. And parang that has been a verse talaga din na I stick by it. Like parang everything that I say, kunwari like, bahala na si God, I let go and let God, Jesus take the wheel. Yung mga ganon, it always boils down to that verse. Na parang, I'll just, trust in Him, trust in His process, I'll pray about it. And then, yun.
Is there any moment sa life mo na you felt like, oh, I'm living in, like, this is what happens when you trust in the Lord. Parang ganyan. Oh, I'm living through my trust.
When I moved to Manila, that was
Oh, wow.
2022. So when I moved to Manila,
Okay.
parang, okay, this is me trusting God. Na parang I didn't really have a plan
Yeah.
when I moved here. It was like, okay, this is my waiting season
Yeah.
for what is about to come. And then I just really let go. And then eventually the stars aligned for me. And then, yun, I got a job in a fashion magazine after that. And then I did some workshops. I met so many people. And then went into PBB after. So parang I said, I had plans before. Really staying in Manila. But then hindi natuloy yung plan na yun because God has greater plans for me. And I just trusted the process.
I love that. I love
Yeah.
that.
Sometimes it's,
Very
it's just all
serious.
about trusting the process. And that was a risk worth taking din naman. And we can see that.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
It was really about, I feel like sitting with the discomfort. Sitting with discomfort, really. So I'm really happy that you're able to
Sit through it.
sit through it.
Yeah.
Now, I feel like you're in a good season. I believe we all are in a good season.
Ah.
So,
Yeah. She's now
But the
sitting
season
through.
of waiting is very difficult.
That is true.
Waiting for
yeah.
your prayers, waiting for God's redirection. It's very hard. It's very difficult. But you really have to be patient. And then because we can't just praise or be thankful to God
Yeah.
when we're all like,
So since
happy.
we're talking about like discomfort, like or sitting with it, I see a question here, and it's how do you have? What's your biggest fear? I'm sorry for being serious, but what's the fear? What's a fear, Jazz? Because we talk about like, diba, like you like
fear is not having genuine happiness for me. And
wow.
peace. Kayo din, di ba? Agree?
When was the last time you were fearful?
Now.
No.
Now,
Anyway, sobrang serious na ng question. Let's go to fun questions naman. Do